Welcome the restaurant. Welcome the best restaurant. In the menu, please. Oh, of course. What you like to eat? Oh, what you like fried fish with salad? For me, why do you like a chicken salad with orange candy, please? Would you like something to drink before the menu? Oh, would you like a hot wheel for me, please? Yes, please. I would like in orange sweets. Or would you like to order more moody wings? Love you to serve it in this restaurant. Or would you like to order more salads? What kind of the salad would you like? Oh, one like Meyer salad with a lot of sweet sauce, please. Or would you like more wine? We have to go now. Thank you very much. The food was delicious. Thank you all very much. Happy, very good service. Thank you very much. Always welcome to our restaurants.